Today I will be preparing a pepper steak for you guys. Serve with penny pasta. I'm going to put the pasta in a sauce. Not sure the type of sauce I will be making as yet, but I will make more like a secret sauce, something new that I learned at my workplace. So let's get right over into the video. Yes guys, these are the ingredients that I'll be using. Right here we have some red and yellow bell pepper. We have some ginger chopped mixed with garlic. We have some carrots. We have a country pepper. We have some green onion and some regular onion right here. So we have some jerk sauce. We have the soy sauce. We have the ketchup. We have the garlic powder. And we also have black pepper. And these are the steak that we will be using. I already washed it and chopped. Yes guys, so now I will be starting by seasoning my steak, right? And remember, when you're getting your steak, it's best to get the tenderloin. It is the softer part of the steak. It is easier to grill, easy to roast, whatever, barbecue, whatever you want to do with it. But easier to make a stir fry like I'm about to do with it now. So I'm just gonna start by seasoning. I already washed, so I'm just gonna add a tip of garlic powder. Just the dry seasoning I'm adding now. This is a black pepper, and I'm just gonna use a small amount of the jerk season. Yeah, as you can see, it's Jamaican jerk. So I'm just going to use a bit of that. A dash of salt, or a pinch of salt, whichever your choice. This is the Welshire sauce. I'm just going to use a small amount of it. Alright. And a tip of the soy sauce. Just a small amount of the soy sauce. For now. So now I'm just going to mix this in together. Yeah. Just going to mix this in. Okay. I'm just going to let this set aside for a bit, and then I will move over to the stove. So I put like half portion of the seasoning on the steak. So here's I have a bowl with maybe about a quarter cup of water. So I'm just gonna add the half of season towards the water, right? So just again the garlic powder, a bit more black pepper, and now I'm gonna add the full portion of the soy sauce. Good. More of the jerk sauce, and now the Welshire sauce. Similar, as I said, it is similar to the, and a tip more salt. And in this bowl also I'm going to add some ketchup. I will mix it. Right. You can see the richness of the sauce, looking really good. Normally I would add a bit of oil to this, but remember I'm gonna add oil to the frying pan when I'm putting in the steak. So alright, so here is it. Set the sauce aside. Okay, now I'm just gonna add some oil to the pot. to stir fry the beef a bit. So there it is. So I'm just gonna make that heat for a bit. To the oil, I'm gonna add just some and then I add the other rest. We're not gonna add all 6 pots at once. So we're just gonna fry some first and then we move to the rest. So this is it. Smells really good, looking really good. So I'm just gonna stir fry this a bit more. So I'm just gonna rest it in the pot for about the next 2 minutes and then remove and add the rest. Just guys, as you can see, it looks really good. Here's the sauce. I'm just gonna add the sauce a bit by bit, not all at once. And at this moment, I'm also gonna add in the ginger. Most people would saute the ginger, but I just chopped it fine and put it in. That's how we Jamaican mostly do it. We just add our ginger and let it cook. So I'm not gonna add the rest of garnish as it. I'm just gonna add the ginger so it get the flavor. And as I said before, this is the oil that I'm using. I already have the ginger and garlic. Yeah, but nothing beat the natural stuff, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna have this here for the next 5 to 10 minutes and then I add in the rest of. So I'm just add the rest of the carrots and then I'm gonna add the bell pepper. So I'm just gonna sprinkle this on the top, a bit more of the carrot. Just stir this and then I'm just gonna leave it to simmer for about 5 minutes under a low heat. Alright? So now I turn off the stove and this is it. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like when it's served. So as you can see the sweet peppers and all the garnishes, because I added those at the very last 2 to 3 minutes. I added these so they can look fresh and nice just the same. So now I'm going to show you what it looks like when it is. Hey guys, you made it to the end of the video. This is the finishing product. As I said, I will serve it with some pasta, penne pasta. So I hope you guys enjoy. Remember to comment, subscribe and give a like and share the video for me, okay? So thank you again for watching.